malataliana mangwanaga, malataliana zila mangwanaga, you give mangwanaga, mangwanaga, hey, 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 hey. Umanghe siyafuma, umanghe siyafuma, lesedi khanya, lesedi khanya. Hi, my name is Lisemelo Letsie and I am from the Kingdom of Lesotho. I am a voice, a powerful voice. I grew up in music due to my family. We are a family of people who are just so passionate about singing and healing through music. I use my music to help free people who are unable to express themselves spiritually, mentally, at soul level, even in physical level. Genre of my music is ancestral and spiritual. I use my music as a link or a bridge since due to civilization, African spirituality has become a taboo. So I use my music to be like a bridge to link ancestry and lineages as people, to understand where we come from. And by understanding where we come from with our lineage and everything else is going to help us to understand who we are. And by understanding who we are is also going to fix how we think, how we do things, and also how we pray. So I like to use drums and shakers in my music because they help evoke the spirits. And so there are a lot of people, my people, who come from Lesotho that have traveled or that are now based abroad. And so they like to request this kind of music, and I would like them to, have access to this kind of music even though they are far from home. I'm here, I'm willing to do it, I'm willing to be corrected, I'm surrendered right now. I'm willing to be that school child who just doesn't know anything but is willing to learn,